How to get Google search bar on home screen in iPhone. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is long press on the empty area of your home screen. So this is where I want to keep my Google's search bar. So here I'm simply tapping on the empty area for a longer period of time until my apps jiggle. So now once that happens, you can simply see edit option available at the top left corner, then tap on the add widget. Now scroll down and look for the Google search bar, or if you do not find it, then simply type down in the search address bar Google and hit enter. Now slide it and there you can see a search bar available. Simply tap on it and here you go. Now tap on the done or save option available there. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.